So let's do some basic measurement for the battery. It is exactly 19-inch long or 48 centimeters. It is 13.25 inch wide or 33.5 centimeters. And if we measure depth, so the total depth, as I can see, is 11.25 or 28.5 centimeters. Now the good thing about this battery is that if you can see here, the terminals, they are basically deeper than the edge of the battery, so nothing should be in the way when you would be, when we install this battery inside an opening in the golf cart. So it's really sleek, and I like that.